Hello everyone, welcome back to the series. In this video, we'll be programming the player movement. It's actually very simple, so I'll just get right at it. We're gonna go to the player, and every single node can have one script. It can have several, like Unity or Unreal. It can only have one. So we're gonna go to script. We're gonna add a new script. Do notice that this is a character body 2D. So you're gonna see something different that you're not gonna see with other nodes. Add a new script. We're gonna name it player, and you see this is a template, right? So if you go to node, it's just gonna be an empty script. But if you use a character body 2D basic movement template, then this is gonna give it a template, and basically what it would do is it would do a 2D sideways platforming template. Let's decipher this and let's work with it. So you have speed and you have jump velocity. We're not gonna jump, so we don't need jump velocity. Gravity, we're not going to need gravity, so let's remove it. And you can see this is already giving some errors. We're going to remove the jump function, and we're going to remove the gravity function, or the gravity cause. And then this is what we need. So you have the left and right. Let's actually test it out, F5. So UI left, UI right, that is both A, D, and arrow keys. Oh, it's just arrow keys, okay. We can change that later. So it's just arrow keys, you can move up and down. So let's make that possible. So direction, get access that, and this is the direction. We're gonna make this direction horizontal, and direction horizontal changes the X velocity. We're gonna get direction vertical, so direction vertical, and this is gonna be UI top and bottom. Let's actually make the direction horizontal here. So we're just gonna copy this. UI top, or is it UI up? Yes, it is UI up and UI down. There we go. And we're just gonna copy this as well. Now, this is a little bit, actually we might need to copy the entire thing. So this is a little bit inefficient, and I might go on how to make this more efficient in a bit, but for right now, we're just gonna do what works. So vertical, and since it is vertical, we're gonna change velocity of Y from 0 to speed, and we're gonna move towards from the velocity to speed. Otherwise we're just gonna set it to the velocity. So basically what it's doing is this is setting the velocity to the speed whenever left or right is being pressed. So if it's left, then it's gonna be negative, so that way it moves left. If it's right, it's gonna be positive. Same thing with this, it's going to be positive if it's up, and negative, or wait, I think it's negative if it's up and positive when it's down. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yes, and then that's going to change the Y instead of the X. So let's see if it works. We're going to press play, and using the arrow keys, you can see that the player can move up, down, left, and right, and it can even move diagonally. And that's the movement of the player. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to collect coins, add game mechanics. Yeah, thanks for watching.